Hello friends, I welcome you from my kitchen. Few days back, my son's friend gifted me a packet of kokum and requested me to make soul curry. So this was made for them on their next visit. I hope you will like the recipe. It is very simple to make. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the notification for new uploads. This hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes in making process. So here we go. Kokum is known as Garcinia indica in scientific language. These are the kokum leaves. They are very dark in color. I have taken 10-12 leaves. They seem fresh, slippery to touch. The stale ones are coated with the white particles. Now you have to wash it thoroughly once or twice with light hands and then soak in the water for half an hour. After half an hour, you can now press and crush the leaves. Now this is the concentrate you have got by soaking the leaves. Press thoroughly, pass through the strainer. I have got lesser than half cup concentrate. I have put it in a small jar. I have added 1 cup and quarter cup water in this now to dilute it because it is very sour. Now this is a packet of coconut milk. Just shake it and add this in the kokum and water mixture. You can add full, 3/4 or half, it depends upon your taste. And you can also add water to dilute it as per your choice. Mix it thoroughly. Now is the time to temper it. Now tempering is done with asafoetida, hing, mustard seeds, red chilies, whole and curry leaves and little oil I have taken, less than 1 teaspoon. Gas is on and I have put tadka pan on this to heat. I have put oil lesser than a teaspoon. Now hing, mustard seeds and whole red chili peppers and few curry leaves to crackle. Soul curry, I would really call it SOUL soul curry as it satiates the soul. I will be putting garlic also, just 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Now cool this tadka and then add it in the coconut kokum water mixture, and this drink is served as cold. After this adding tadka, you put it in the fridge, let it cool. I will tell you something about this. Now this kokum or Garcinia indica is very beneficial for health. It is loaded with micronutrients. It is rich in vitamin A, C and B13 also. Many minerals are present in this. Kokum has carminative properties. It reduces the flatulence and helps in digestion. It reduces the body heat. So why not try this drink? It has soothing effect on body and on mind. This is the famous drink from the cuisine of Goa and Maharashtra. It is also used in Sindhi cuisine, in Sindhi curries, dal, etc. So friends, why not make it a part of your kitchen cupboard? So see you next time with another recipe. Stay happy, stay connected, cook healthy, eat healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.